Welcome to South Dental China. This is Charles from Unitech EvoDent. This is our E230 dental 3D printer for both dental clinics and dental labs. E230 is rocking an 8K super high resolution. The large build volume and crazy good accuracy of 30 microns are all in one. It's a dream for dental applications, especially when you need that pinpoint precision for registration models and dentures. The E230 is a hit in both dental clinics and labs, thanks to its generous build volume and spot-on accuracy. Plus, it has a heating system in the resin tank to keep things at an optimal temperature for each print job, boosting stability and make a breeze to work with high viscosity resin like those who used for clear aligners. Now let's come to S200. S200 is a DLP dental 3D printer for dental labs. S200 is a perfect solution for small dental labs with its high accuracy to 50 microns as well as the large build platform. It's a 4K DLP 3D printer with high working stability. The precision makes S200 willing to print all the dental applications. Now let me introduce you a very fantastic dental 3D printer. That is our D300. D300 is a fully automatic dental 3D printer for mass production. Due to the big build size and 50 microns printing accuracy with two 4K UV LED optical projectors, D300 is a great choice for all the dental labs with orthodontic models, registration models, implant models, and denture models. The top-down design also highly improved the working stability of D300. Together with the EvoDent One software, D300 can realize a fully automatic production process, including automatic orientation and layout, automatic printing, assigned tasks, removal, refilling, and sorting. D300 has a very high printing efficiency. It can finish 18 orthodontic models within 40 minutes and 12 full-arch implant models within 90 minutes. Because of the automatic working system, D300 can do a 7x24 hours printing job. One printer can finish 650 aligner models and 200 full-arch implant models per day.